Hey, you got you you got lower back problems. I guess not really problems, just that pain you get right there all the time. I used to get them all the time. The biggest thing was my bed, because I slept on some beds where I wake up in the morning, it felt like I slept on a 2x4 all the way down the middle of that. And I guess this is for if your bad back ain't bad, because mine's fine. It is really now, but it don't take me like 10 seconds and it's gone. I mean, like you do it once in the morning. That's all I do. I seen this online, I believe, somewhere. And all you do is just 10 of them. And that's one right there. I'm telling you, that's all I did. Once, once a day, every morning. Like I always say in my videos, it was discipline at first, and it just became a damn ritual. I do them every day, actually, before I work out and stuff, because that actually led to the other things, lifting dumbbells and doing doing planks and stuff like that and messing around. But just that right there, and you probably end up doing more, more and more. Just try that for 1 week. I'm telling you, it wasn't even really a week probably. And that little lower agonizing little pain in there. And I don't know, that just straightens it out. But check that out. This ain't no exercise channel. I know that. I just trying to help people out. Like I say, I lost 50 some years of just slaving my butt off and staying out of debt. Yeah, everything's paid off now and everything's great. But now I'm trying to figure out what I want to do with my life. I didn't make no hobbies or nothing. I don't drink no more, so that hobby's gone. I just this is for your mind, getting your mind working with your body, getting discipline going. Because if you ain't dang working on yourself every day, you ain't going nowhere but in circles, round and round and round. And I don't know how many times I keep repeating that. You dang live the same year 70 times and call it a living. Call it a life. It's just crazy. I hope you get something out of these videos. I'd like people to like, share, and subscribe. Because like I say, I'm going into all this stuff and doing all the things I'm doing. Wife just passed away. I know nobody's got all the free time on their hands like I do right now, but pretty soon you're going to have. And it's better to take care of stuff early so you can retire early like I did and get on with your dang life and then actually have something to work forward to without having to go to work all the damn time. That's what it's all about. I don't want to ramble on too long, because this is a thing to help your back out. Anything else I got to say about that? Like I say, a good bed. And like I say, if something's wrong, if you got back problems, this ain't gonna cure it, because the back's real sensitive, I guess. But I don't know. I got an ebook down below that'll get you going on something. It's free. How to create an ebook, free and simple. I don't know. Give me some comments. Let me know if there's anything I can do better on these videos. Anyway, I guess that's about it. Yeah, that's enough time right there, I reckon, for little back things. So stay sharp, keep your nose clean, and owe nobody.